And she's back. Back again. My old friend. Just kidding. But for real though, I'm back. It's been a whole freaking year. In 2 weeks, it will be 1 year since I've uploaded a video. And the funny thing is I think about filming a video every single day. Like 80% of my thoughts during the day are like, okay, I want to film this video, I want to film this video. And then I just don't. I let other things get in the way. I'm not making it a priority. So I'm here to tell you, I'm back and I'm making it a priority. And I had so much fun filming this makeup look featuring Nudes of New York eyeshadow. I picked this up a few months ago. Just because I wasn't filming doesn't mean I stopped buying makeup. So here, I really like this eyeshadow palette. I think it's very beautiful. So I'm filming like this summer bronzy golden-ish look today. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and let's get into the video. It's been almost a whole year. If I look older, it's because I am. This is an all drugstore tutorial, but I'm testing out this new primer. I don't know if it's new, but I got it in a sample thing. It's from Ilia. True Skin Radiant Priming Serum. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Dream Urban Cover. This came out last year. This is so good. It's one of my very favorite drugstore foundations. Okay, this is just a foundation brush from Revlon. So, how are you guys doing with quarantine? If you're in quarantine. And this year, it's been almost a whole freaking year since I've been on here. What's going on with you guys? What a year, right? Anyway, I just missed YouTube. I seriously think about filming every single day, and I don't know how a whole year flew by. For concealer, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Camo Concealer. It's matte. I actually like wearing this concealer in the summer just by itself. I'm gonna do a tutorial on that where it's just like 3 products that I use. And I like that it's matte because usually you're like sweating and more oily in the summer. I'm just gonna set my under eyes with this CoverGirl Advanced Radiance powder. And I'm just gonna do the center of my face. I feel so weird doing this. Like, this is a brand new palette. I haven't even opened it, but I got this back in the spring. It's called the Nudes of New York. Isn't that so pretty? I'm gonna go in with Creator. Ooh, they're like super pigmented. I told you, this is the first time I'm using it. But that's really pretty. I'm like barely touching it. I'm going in with the smaller brush and I'm taking Explorer just on the very tip and putting it a little bit lower. So there's a little bit more definition. Ooh, I really like that color too. And then same thing, dragging it down to the outer V. Then I'm going to take a Globetrotter right here. I feel like I'm basing this look around this new blush that I got from Milani. It's called Sunset Passione. Perfect for summer. I'm liking how this looks. I want to put a shimmer in the middle and I'm really drawn to these 2 shades. I kind of want to go see what this looks like. Sometimes shimmer shades are better applied with your finger or a flat brush, so we'll see. And I'm just going to focus that on the middle of my eye. Actually, I'm going to try a flat brush. I'm not taking it all the way up, I'm just keeping it more on my lid. Ooh, that's so pretty. I love that color. I'm really liking the shadow. Do you guys like this? Okay, and then I'm gonna take a lighter color just in the middle, probably Artist right here. Ooh, that heroine is so pretty, so I'm gonna take this one. This one is so pretty. I'm just looking at this color combo right here. Wait. Like this is so pretty, but I'm gonna take heroine and just apply that more in the inner corner. See what that looks like. looks like. Okay, I didn't really like how those shadows looked on the inner corner, so I'm just taking my blending brush and bringing more of the color back in. I'm really liking how this is turning out. All right, I'm gonna just barely line the top of my lids. I'm gonna use this Costa Reach matte. All right, let's get to the good stuff, which is bronzer and blush. I'm gonna go in with this Milani blush or bronzer. It's the Sunlight Silky Matte. The color is Sunlight Silky Matte bronzing powder. Then I also got this a while ago. It's Revlon Skin Lights, and this has more of a luminosity to it. So I think this would be really pretty for this look. So I always start on the high points of my face and bring it down, kind of where the sun would go. Isn't that pretty? Looks so good. Whatever. Okay, I've never used this one, but I keep hearing really good things about it. Revlon Skin Light Sunlit Glow. That's really cool. Look at that. What does this look like? This is just really sheer. You know what I feel like this compares to, is comparable to? The Hourglass bronzer. That's what this reminds me of, but for like probably a fifth of the price or more. Put some across the nose if you want. I mean, I already have like sunspots on my nose, so it already looks like I haven't been in the sun. What are you gonna do, honestly? Okay, I'm gonna powder my nose a little bit more because I really don't want my nose to be shiny. Let's do blush. I'm so excited for this one. Perfect. This is really pigmented. I didn't know this was this pigmented, but that's okay because I like a lot of blush. I'm gonna just take some off. So I really like to focus my blush on the apples of my cheeks, but then bring it up so it's lifting. I've been doing that for a long time, but I have seen other techniques where if you focus the blush more in the center right here, it gives more youthful. This is more lifted, which after you turn 30 is what you want. Am I right or am I right? I'm not wrong. Okay, I don't mind how that blush is, but if that blush is too much for you, just go back in with your foundation brush that you did and you could just like dilute it a little bit by patting around it. I love this palette so much. You guys should go get this palette. If you want a new eyeshadow palette, I mean, look at that. Those are like gold tones. Those tones are golden. That's what I meant to say. That's funny. All right, let's get back with it. So I'm going to curl my lashes. I forgot to do my eyebrows. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. That was a funny time to say that. I'm so excited to be filming again. I don't know like why, I just don't. Honestly, because I think about it every day. I collect all the makeup, but I'm back. I'm back, all right, I'm back. Let's go in with some mascara. Okay, this is a new mascara too. It's called Rose All Day from Physicians Formula. Oh, I do not like the smell. Why would you put fragrance in a mascara? I feel like this could give me a headache, but okay, I got some on my lid. Don't freak out. That will just like dry off later and I'll flick it off. I love how this is applying. Wow. Can you see the difference? And I'm gonna go back in with another layer. Okay, this is my new favorite drugstore mascara for sure. I love how it combed out my eyelashes. I feel like I'm wearing fake eyelashes. I'm gonna comb off the mascara in a minute, but let's get to the lips. with NYX Sandstorm. Thank you, Ally Glines, for this recommendation. For lipstick, I have two that I'm looking at. One is from Revlon. This is a newer line from them. It's a matte and it's called Pick Me Up. Put it on my hand so you can see. That's really pretty. I think that would be pretty with this look. Or from Milani, which is also matte, called I Am Smart. They're probably really similar. They are. Look how similar those are. I kind of want to go with the first one. Let's go with the first one. It's not as pink. Alright, we could leave it matte or put on this Milani gloss in champagne just in the middle. Let's try that. Okay, I could add highlighter. Should we add some highlighter? This is from Maybelline Master Chrome. Ooh, look at that. I'm just gonna add it to my temples. I mean, to the high points of my cheeks. Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh, I love this highlighter. We are done. We are done. Finished look. Okay, I completely spaced doing my brows. So I'm going in with the e.l.f. brow pencil, ultra precise brow pencil. This is really awesome too. I cannot believe I did that. Rookie mistake. I really like how dry this pencil is because it helps, sorry, I'm not even showing you guys. It helps mimic the brow hairs, I feel like, better than if it was a creamier pencil or waxy. So I just combed my brows up. And then I'm gonna blend it out. You guys, e.l.f. has made some awesome brow products. And they have really good brushes. And then I'm using the e.l.f. brow gel in the shade Neutral Brown to give it a fluffier effect and hold them in place. I'm really happy with how this look turned out. I really love this eyeshadow palette. I think it's amazing. It's super affordable and has really good everyday looks or glam it up looks, depending on what you want. I love this blush. I love everything I used in in today's video. I think it's like Drugstore. Never underestimate the Drugstore makeup because they have really amazing products that are really comparable or better than high-end sometimes. So anyway, I'm really happy with how this look turned out. Let me know if you like it. Comment below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. And I will see you in my next video. So with that said, I will see you in my next video.